Have you ever wondered how a DevOps engineer navigates the world of Docker? Well, wonder no more. Docker, a popular open-source platform, has revolutionized the way developers build, package, and distribute software applications. Its containerization technology allows applications to run seamlessly across different computing environments. But how does a DevOps engineer use Docker in their daily operations? The first step involves installing Docker. Whether it's on a Linux, Windows, or Mac operating system, Docker provides simple and straightforward installation packages. Remember, Docker relies on virtualization, so ensure your system supports it before diving in. Following installation, the next step is learning Docker commands. Docker commands are like the keys to the kingdom. They allow you to control your Docker containers. For example, the docker run command starts a new container, while the docker ps command lists all running containers. Once you've got a handle on Docker commands, it's time to create a Docker file. A Docker file is a text document that contains all the commands to assemble an image. It's like a blueprint for your application's environment. You can specify the operating system, install necessary software, and define environment variables, among other tasks. After crafting your Docker file, it's time to build your Docker image. This is done using the docker build command. Docker reads your Docker file, executes the commands, and creates a Docker image as a result. This image contains everything your application needs to run. Now for the fun part, running your Docker container. Using the docker run command, you can start your container. This creates a running instance of your Docker image. But wait, there's more. Docker also allows you to publish your images on Docker Hub, a cloud-based registry service. This means you can share your Docker images with others, or use images created by others. Lastly, remember to keep your Docker environment clean. Regularly prune unused Docker objects like containers, images, and volumes. This helps to manage storage and keeps your system running smoothly. In a nutshell, using Docker involves installing the software, learning Docker commands, creating a Docker file, building a Docker image, running your Docker container, and potentially publishing your Docker images, and of course, always clean up after yourself. Docker's groundbreaking technology has not only simplified software development, but also revolutionized DevOps practices. It provides a consistent and reliable environment for applications, which is a massive boon for DevOps engineers. By mastering Docker, DevOps engineers can ensure seamless deployment and scalability of applications, all while improving their workflow efficiency. Remember, like any tool, Docker is as powerful as the hand that wields it. So take the time to learn it, master it, and watch as it transforms your DevOps practices. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of Docker and DevOps. Stay tuned for more insightful content, and until next time, keep Dockerizing.